Okay friends, so let's make some sweet box by using a simple 5-second strategy to trade binary options inside pocket option. So this is going to be a previous strategy that we are going to use in a different time frame. Previously we used it in 1 minute time frame. Now we are going to use it in 5-second time frame. So watch this video very carefully because it can help you to make profitable trades for lifelong. And the strategy that I previously built was liked by my VIP copy trader. I do have a service where I provide you the option to copy my trades automatically in your account without trading by yourself and just by using the social trading feature of pocket option. And if you want to copy my trades directly in your account, make profit on a daily basis, then do join my Telegram channel and read the instructions there on how you can join my VIP copy trading channel. So now without doing any delay, let's get started. So firstly, you'd make all of these currency pair favorite, that is giving you more than 80% payout. Once you do that, okay, here are some currency pair. Let me make it favorite like this. You can make it favorite and it will appear at here. Once you do this much, then just select this candle and make it as 5. That means each of these candles are forming in 5-second time frame. Similarly, if it is flag at here, make it clock and then just select as 5 time frame. And decide the amount that you want to invest in each trade. So this time I am going to invest $100 per trade in this 5-second trading. So the strategy is extremely simple. Here you can see a market is strongly falling down. Now this is a retracement that have happened. So exactly at this moment you need to make trade by clicking on lower. Now not all of your trades are going to go right, but most of your trades are going to go right. We made one loss. So now let's see in another. So this is not a good market. Okay, you need this kind of straightly falling market. Okay, similarly this is also trying to go up, right? This is also trying to go up and a retracement had happened. So at that exact time we made a trade by clicking on higher and we made a profit, as you can see here. So let's see in another chart. So this is not a good market. Okay, it is not a straight line. This is a good market. You can make trade by clicking on higher at here, because here you can see it is trying to go straightly in upward direction. That's why I made a trade and I made a profit also. I have made lots of these kind of theoretical strategies before and made lots of profit. So you need to be a little bit different. Okay, you need to think outside of the box to become profitable while trading binary options. Okay, because most people lose their money because they just follow the typical rule like support and resistance, this and that and this. You don't need to do that. Okay, just be smart and create your own strategy that no one ever in this world is using. Like I am showing you this strategy, no one is using this strategy. I am the only one using this strategy from the past, and I have been making money not only in 5 seconds. Okay, in 1 minute time frame also this works. So similarly, now let's go to another chart, and please guys do like this video. Okay, it will help this video to reach to more people and it will help more people to make money. So do help other people too. So let's go into another chart. So yeah, this is one. Okay, this is a good entry point because it fell down, right? So that's why I made a trade by clicking on higher and we made a profit here also. So let's see in other. Okay, this is also falling down, but we need a retracement and we got a retracement. That's why we made a trade by clicking on lower, but this time we lost it. This thing happens. Okay, so let's see in another chart. So it is also trying to go in the straight line. We again make a trade by clicking on higher and most probably we are going to make profit, I guess. But yes, we made a profit. That's cool. So let's see in another chart. So this is not a good market. Okay, because it is trying to come down, go up, come down, go up. You need a straight line. Always remember that. And one more important thing. Okay, over trading is not a good thing. You also need to focus on how much you need to make trades. Okay, you just can't keep on randomly trading 100 trades, 300 trades at a time. Okay, we made a loss in this trade, so you need to have that control. Okay, if you are profitable, if you are making 5 trades, let's say you make 5 trades, and if you win 3 trades and if you lose 2 trades, then you are still in profit. You can stop for that day. Okay, and just go with that money management strategy that I will trade only 5 trades per day. You need to think in that way also. So let's go to another chart. This is also not so good because it is consolidated at here. Now if it falls in straight line at here, then it would be a good entry. So let's see in another. This is also a good market, but here you can see candles are extremely small, so it will be a little bit risky here. Okay, because here you can see there are lots of pops and it is not falling in the straight line from here. A consolidation have happened, and here you can see consolidation are keeping on happening at here. Okay, so this is not this is the market that you need to ignore. So let's say in another, so either win or loss, I am going to make one trade. This is also not that much good, but it's okay. You could have made trade by clicking on lower at here. So let's see, so it is trying to go up, but it fell down from here. So this can be a consolidation at here. Okay, a range bound market, so you need to ignore it. Okay, so this is a good market. Okay, if a green candle shows up, as you can see here, it is falling down in a straight line. If one or two green candle appears at here, okay, so here you can see I'll make trade by clicking on lower at here, and let's see what happens. Okay, shit, we made a loss at here, but anyways guys, this is the way that you need to make trade. Now I'll make one more trade at here by clicking on higher, and let's see what happens in this trade. And we made profit in this trade. Okay guys, so I'm going to stop this video because this is something that I also need to focus and make trades. I'm just showing you as an example. I hope you understood it and it is helpful for you. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.